Alright guys, so I have this 2001 Craftsman weed eater which I had trouble starting. I did rebuild the carb, but that did not seem to work. So I bought me a brand new carburetor and I put the brand new carburetor and it still ran for a few seconds and then it shut off. So I was kind of stumped going back and forth on what the issue was. So I had a brand new spark plug. This is the old spark plug. I put in a brand new spark plug right up here and that seemed to fix the problem. It runs good as new. Let's see if we could get it on the first start. Hold on. Look at that. Perfect.